Hi there, welcome to Sew Let's Sew with Wendy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple placemat like this one. And basically it's just a quilted placemat with an applique flower on it. So simple to make. First of all, what you'll need is a piece of fabric, 16 by 11. Then I added a 1.5 inch border, and then I made my quilt sandwich like this. And then all I did was did an iggly wiggly stitch all along each side. Let me show you the finished one. Show you what it looks like on the back. So in each strip I did the iggly wiggly stitch, and then I attached the applique flower. I'll show you how to do the applique flower. It's so simple, anybody could do it. So I'll bring you down to the desk and I'll show you how I did it. Right, so to make the flower, I got a piece of fabric that was 9 inches wide and I've folded it in half. And then literally all I've done is done a leaf pattern. Just quickly drawn it on, put a pin in the centre of each one and then just cut them out. So if I just quickly cut one out, you'll need 5 petals for each flower. Okay, and then all you do is stitch round each flower and then pull it through. So let's go to the sewing machine and I'll show you how to do that. Right, so here we are at the sewing machine. So I'm just going to do a couple of stitches and then do a back stitch. Now my machine automatically does 3 back stitches and stops. I think it's because it's an actual quilting machine as opposed to a sewing machine. I'll just pop my needle down, and all I'm doing is doing a really fine seam, not 1/4 of an inch, probably less than that. When I get to the point, I just turn it, take 1 stitch and then turn it the other way. Let me just get rid of that pin. Then do a little back tack again and then cut my thread. Right, so the best way to turn something like this is to get the point and just push it through with your fingers, and then get yourself a chopstick and then just push it through. It's quite a narrow opening at the bottom, but it doesn't matter. Just push it through and then get your chopstick and just poke out the flower. Excuse me, and then get the iron and just give it a quick press. And there we have it. That's your petal. Now they don't all have to be exactly identical because it is a flower and flowers aren't exactly identicals. Now for the centre, I got the cap off my 505 spray and just drew a circle. And what I'm going to do is I've got 2 pieces of fabric here. So I'm just going to now stitch all the way round and then I'll show you how to turn it through. Right, so needle down. I'm just following the line. Cut my thread. And then we'll go back over to the desk and I'll show you how to turn it through. Right, so I've cut round the little red thing that I've sewn. And then all I've done is just put a little nick in the back of the fabric, and then you can just push it through. And it doesn't matter that there's a slit there because that's the side that's going to be down on the placemat. So just turn it through, give it a quick press, and there's your flower. Now, when I made the mats, I put the flower in the top left hand side of the placemat, and I think they're really pretty, and they would be really pretty done in sort of spring Easter colours. This is more for, like, you know, patriotic red, white and blue, but I'm really pleased with them. So that's it, a simple placemat for you to do. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care, everybody.